Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Aminazi Fashion YouTube channel. So today we are making this trendy bustier crop top, and it's going to have a basket waistline on it and pleated sleeve. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can also share my video with your friends. Tell them to subscribe to my channel and give my video a thumbs up so that more people can get to watch this video and learn from it. Guys can also check my other videos on my channel so that you can also learn from it. So please always watch my video to the end, and we have a lot to offer on this channel, so stick to my channel please. Guys, watch this video to the end.
So this is our fabric that we are using to make this our bustier. So this is the material that we will use, is a lace that we use and make the sleeve, that is printed sleeve, and this is the material crepe that we are using to make this our bustier crop top that we want to make, and basket waistline. So this is the length now because it's up shoulder that I'm making with it. So I'm taking out from my tape rule to get our length. So the length is 17, so that is the length now. So I'm marking the front of it now, that is the middle part of it because it's a bustier. So what I'm marking there now is 4, so I'm marking 4 throughout to get our center crop top bustier. So that is the center side of it now. So I'm rolling it out now. So after that we'll start with the measurement. So remember, it's a crop bustier and has a basket waistline. So this is the measurement now. So now what I want to do now is the nipple to the nipple point. So that is the nipple point. The nipple point that I'm marking there is 9.5. The under bust is 12, while the waistline is 16. So that is the rolling side of it now. So I want to start with the measurement. So I'm just rolling it out for you to see with the chalk. So now I want to just add half inch on it. So it's half inch that I'm marking on it so that it will cup very well. So that's what I'm doing there now. So now we'll start with the measurement. I'm on the same side of it now, so I'm also removing that half inch. So it's half inch that I'm taking from the side and the middle side of it now. So the other side is half inch. So can you see what I'm doing there now? So after that now I will roll it out also. So that's what I'm pointing out for you to see that I'm rolling it out. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, watch my video to the end, share it to your friends so that your friends too can also learn from it, so that more people can see it and learn. And that is why we are showing you this video, for you to learn. So what I'm doing there now is the marking. So can you see what I'm doing there also? I'm marking half again so that it will cup, and I'm doing it with a princess bustier. So it's princess, but it's not just a straight one that I'm doing. So that's what I've marked here now, and I'm pointing it out for you to see what I'm doing there now. So just for you now to continue to mark that your half inch is half inch that I'm marking at the middle side and the other side of it now. So I'm rolling it out now. So after that, I will now start with our body measurement. So my body measurement for my bust now is what I'm marking there now. The body measurement is 36. So remember to put out that your half inch, that is 1 inch on it, and before you now add your sewing allowance. So all the half inch and the sewing allowance is there now at the bust. So coming to the under bust is what I'm also marking. Remember to put all those your half inch and put your normal body measurement. Our waist is 26, adding those your half inch with your sewing allowance, and that's what I've done there. I'm rolling it out, that is connecting from the bust to the width. So that is it now. So the sewing allowance that I'm adding all there now is 2 inch throughout. So that's what I've done there now. So remember, it's a basket waistline and we are not doing it now, so I want to go and cut it. After cutting it out, we'll go and stitch it together. After stitching it together, before we now come back again to get our basket waistline. So that's the middle side that I'm cutting now. Remember, it's a bustier and it's a princess cut bustier that I'm making. So can you see how it is now? Because it's not a straight one, that at the middle one side. Can you see that the middle side I've cut it out? So this is the side of it now that I'm also cutting out now, so that we'll use it now to cut the back side. So we'll use it to cut the back side of it. So don't forget to subscribe please and watch my video to the end. So we're done with the front side of it. Can you see how it is now? So we'll now fold the back side. So that is the back side of it now, using the front to lay it down. So what I'm doing there, I want to take away from that cup side of it now, so that it will not appear at the back, and remember is back side. So I'm removing out from my zipper allowance. My zipper allowance that I added there now is 1 inch. It's 1 inch that I added throughout at my zipper allowance, and that is the middle side. So what I will do now is for me now to cut it out now. After cutting out, before we now go and stitch it together and come back to cut our basket waistline, and it's up shoulder one. And remember also the sleeve is a pleated sleeve that we are using to make this our crop top that we are making. And so this is the side of it now, so it will not appear with the back side, that is the cup side. That's why I use that scissors to hold it down, so that it will not appear. So we're done with the cutting. So now it's for us now to go and join together. So can you see how it is now? So we're done with the cutting. So the cutting is done. So now is the princess sleeve now that we want to make. So the width of it now is 3 that I'm marking, and the length to get everything is 27. So that is the 27 there now. So we'll take it and go and stitch that is the side, so that before we now plait it. So that is what I'm doing now. I'm cutting it together. That is the 2 sides of the printed sleeve is what is there now that I'm cutting out. So I will just go and run it with the machine, that is to stitch it together, to stitch the side of it now, and before you know it will be ready and we'll plait it out. So now can you see what I've said now, that we are going to stitch it? So now the next step now is for me to go and plait it. So I will use my pin to pin it down, that is my outfit pin, to just show you what I'm going to do on the machine. So this is how you plait your own if you are sewing this tie on this sleeve. So it's the sleeve that I'm showing you what to do now to go plait. So that is what I'm doing. And the plaiting it, I'm using 1 inch to plait it out. So it's 1 inch that I will use and plait it out, and I also use my tape rule to show you how it is. So that is what I want to do as well. Can you see what I've done there? So it's 1 inch that I use to plait it, using 1 inch to plait it out. So if you are doing that, so that it will be balanced, it will be accurate, so you use your tape rule to check it out, and that is what I'm doing. So I will take it to the machine to go and stitch it. What I did there now is just to use a pin to pin it out. So can you see how it is? So this is the printing I've done with the plenty. So this is how it will be. So you go and use your iron to iron it out. So now this is the cup. I've done with the cup to stitch it together and also iron it out. So this is the back and this is the front. So I'm using the front to lay, so that we'll cut all the basket waistline together, and also for the neck also. So that's what I'm doing there now. So can you see what I'm marking? I'm marking 3 from the down to the up is what I'm marking 3, so that we'll use from that side of it and get that our basket waistline shape. So that's what I'm marking there now. So on that side is what I will now cut from the basket waistline. What I did here now is that we join everything together before cutting this basket waistline so that it will rhyme together. So that's what I've done there. So now is the neck that I'm marking now. So that is the neck. The neck is 3 and it is sweet out neck that I'm marking. So the cleavage now is 1.5 is what I'm marking there to get our cleavage neck. So this is the cutting and this is the way you will just curve it to get your sweet out neck line that we are making. So that is it now. So coming back now, also I'm turning it out because that is the front side. So I'm marking from the back now. So the back also is the same that I marked 3. Remember it's 3. And coming down to the cleavage line, I've used 2 to bring it down. So it's 2 that I'm marking at the cleavage line for the back. So now we'll cut from the back together. So coming back to the armhole is 1.5. Remember it's up shoulder that we are making on this crop top with basket waistline. That is 1.5 on the armhole side. So I'm cutting it now. That is the neck now. I'm cutting out the neck. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch my video to the end. Share it to your friends so that they too can also learn from this style that we are making on this channel, please. So this is the back side that I want to cut out, like the neck. So I've cut it also. So now we'll cut the armhole. So that is the armhole side also that I'm cutting out now. So going back to the basket waistline now is what I will do now. So I want to cut it out. So we are cutting it out now from there to that line that I marked. Remember it's 3 that I marked there to get it out. So we'll cut it out and we'll go and stitch it to the body, to the side, and before you know it will be ready also. So just let me open it for you to see how it will be. So that's the front side of it now. Remember it's a bustier crop top that we are making with a basket waistline. So this is it now. So we'll go and stitch it.
Yes, our trendy bustier crop top with basket waistline is ready and it has printed sleeve on it. Very beautiful one. Don't forget we used crepe material to make this style. So you can also use other materials to make yours. Very beautiful one. So guys, if you don't remember what we did here, please just watch this video again and again so that you can learn how to make it on your own. It's a beautiful style that you can wear out and you're good to go. Very beautiful one. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can share my video with your friends, give my video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this video and learn from it. And you can also watch our other videos. Please, thank you for watching.